Good morning. I thought I'd bring out one of the chickens because she needs to be part of this video. I'm going to need some eggs today for the video. Could you help me out? And I'm going to show you these two things. These are both by Dash. I will put links to these in the description section. It's the first time I have tried these, so let's see how they work. Before using any of these appliances, always preheat them for about 15 minutes before your first use. Always spray the surfaces with either some sort of butter or a cooking oil. I use a canola oil. When using any of these type of non-stick surfaces, always use something that's like a silicone. I'm going to put a link to this also in the description section. English muffin and an egg sandwich. As you can see, my car is not level. I'm going to try to make a couple of egg bites. I haven't already pre-tested this. It's supposed to steam with the water that's in there. You fill one of these up with water and just pour it in. I'm only going to make two. 5 minutes in, let's see what they're doing. Gonna sprinkle some herbs on top. It's a Tuscan herb blend and let them cook for another probably 4 or 5 minutes. It comes with the larger silicone to be able to do something like that, or the egg bites. Bite cups. It smells amazing in here. That is an egg bite. These come in 3 different sizes. I think I like this one the most because it's great for scooping things up. That's just a regular spatula in the center. This is my favorite for the small appliances. Now that the Foreman is heated up, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know. I try to be responsive to comments. Subscribe, like, share, turn on notifications so you'll know when I put up a video. It might be a couple of weeks.